Hello garden people! It's finally September and I'm ready to start planning out my fall garden. I'm starting out today by replacing an overgrown potted plant. As much as I love for my potted plants to be overflowing and lush, this coleus just isn't really pet friendly, so I'm going to clear out this pot and then we can get to planting. I found this Verbena at my local garden center and thought the blooms were super pretty. Purple is my favorite color, and I thought this darker purple would be perfect for fall. I've never actually had a verbena before, so this is kind of an experiment, but I'm going to try cutting back the spent blooms and any dead foliage, and then fertilize it and see if it will put out a brand new flush of blooms. And of course, I can't kick off September without adding a few pumpkins. And now on to the next task. Near the end of August, I actually planted an entire packet of white swan marigold seeds. I always use a mixture of compost, perlite, and peat moss for my seed starting mixture, and I prefer to direct sow outdoors when I can. And here are where the seedlings are at about 2 weeks after sowing. These seeds germinated amazingly. I got 100% germination in the small white pots and probably about 80% germination in the other pots. But unfortunately, a few of my seedlings got eaten by rabbits. We have a few rabbits that like to run through our neighborhood, so I had to move these seedlings up off the ground to keep them safe. Now that they've got a few sets of true leaves, I'm going to fertilize them with some fish emulsion and also add some mycorrhiza into the soil to encourage root development. If you want to see how these seedlings progress, stay tuned for more marigold update videos. And now that everything is done in the garden today, I want to show off my hybrid tea roses. We've recently gotten a ton of rain, which has helped these roses tremendously. I'm so happy how many blooms have appeared, and I'm excited to see how they grow as the weather cools down a bit. So garden people, I wish you all good luck in starting your fall gardens. Until next time, XOXO, the Hydrangea Lady.